I'm Bridget Indelicato, and welcome to Mindful Gardening. It's mid-October, and I'm going to show you how to prepare your soil and plant garlic now for harvest next summer. Nothing beats homegrown garlic. It's easy to grow, and with just a few easy steps, you can ensure a successful harvest. So here's what you'll need. Some healthy, large garlic bulbs, either ones that you've harvested on your own, or I recommend that you buy local seed garlic for better success rate. You're going to need a dibber to create your holes. This is a commercial dibber with the measurements on it. If you don't have one, you can always make one out of wood and just mark it. You'll need a pitchfork, a rake, some well-composted compost and manure, a measuring stick, as I have here, or a measuring tape works as well, and a straw bale. Pick a sunny spot in your yard or garden, and you can grow up to 50 garlic bulbs in about a 4 by 4 foot plot. You don't really need much space. So I'm going to amend the soil that I have here with my compost and manure. Take my garden fork and really work it in. You really want to loosen up that soil. Make sure there aren't any rocks or anything that might inhibit the growth. Then I'm going to take my rake and smooth it out. And there we go. Now we're ready to plant.
Just before planting, separate the individual cloves from each bulb of hardneck garlic. Do this carefully, first wiggling the stem to loosen them, and keep the paper covering on each clove intact. If the flesh of the garlic is exposed, do not plant it. The clove will decay underground, so it's best to eat it soon instead.
Now I've laid my yardstick along my first row, and I'm going to be planting every 6 inches and 4 inches deep with my dibber. Now I've marked my dibber with tape, so I know where my 4-inch mark is. It's just under the tape line. So I'm going to start here and just simply make holes. Now I'm going to take my garlic, and when you're planting 1 clove into 1 hole, and you want that pointed end up and that bottom where the roots were at the bottom, which makes sense because this is going to form a full bulb underground. So I'm going to start here and simply drop them in. Now we're all planted. So I have 3 rows, 11 in each, so I've got 33 cloves that will become 33 bulbs next season. So now that I can see that they are all planted, I'm going to fill in the holes simply with my hand and press down slightly so that the soil surrounds the little cloves. So there we have it. They're all planted and they've got lots of nutrition in the manure and the compost to give them all that they need over the 10 months that they will be underground. And the next step is to mulch it with straw for further protection over winter, as well as to retain moisture over the summer months and keep the soil at a good, consistent temperature. Now the cloves are protected under this nice layer of straw mulch, and the cloves will begin to develop a root system before the ground freezes. And now we wait until next season. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.